This isn't a rock. It's the most venomous fish in the entire ocean, and it's been sitting there the whole time. 13 needle-sharp spines line its back, each one loaded with venom, strong enough to kill an adult in under an hour. It doesn't hunt by chasing. It simply waits, motionless, for prey or an unlucky foot to come too close.
It lives across shallow Indo-Pacific reefs, exactly where barefoot swimmers wade every single day.
It lives across shallow Indo-Pacific reefs, exactly where barefoot swimmers wade every single day. This octopus fits in the palm of your hand and carries enough venom to kill 26 adult humans.
When threatened, its rings flash electric blue, a final warning most people don't recognize until it's too late.
Its bite is nearly painless, and there is still no antivenom. Victims often don't realize they've been bitten at all. It hides in shallow tide pools, across the Pacific and Indian Oceans, exactly where people wade barefoot every single day.
It hides in shallow tide pools across the Pacific and Indian Oceans, exactly where every single day,
This is considered the most dangerous marine animal alive, and in clear water it's completely invisible.
Its tentacles carry a venom so powerful it can stop a human heart in just a few minutes.
Its body is the size of a basketball, but its tentacles can trail 3 meters behind it, unseen in open water. It's found along Indo-Pacific coastlines, most notably Australia, drifting silently through waters people swim in daily. This snake's venom is 8 times more toxic than a cobra's, yet it almost never attacks first. Just 1.5 milligrams of its venom is enough to kill a fully grown adult.
Despite carrying one of the most lethal venoms in the world, it's remarkably non-aggressive, rarely biting unless directly provoked. It lives along coastlines from India to Australia to East Africa, sharing the water with millions of people who never know it's there. This shell looks harmless enough to pick up and admire, which is exactly how most people get hurt. In an instant, it fires a venomous, harpoon-like tooth, fast enough that most victims never see it coming. Divers call it the cigarette snail, a dark joke, suggesting you might only have enough time left to smoke one. It's found on tropical reefs worldwide, its beauty hiding one of the ocean's most underestimated dangers. 5 predators. Almost no warning. In the ocean, danger rarely looks the way you'd expect.